This is a delicious pepper steak recipe that you are sure to fall in love with. I'm telling you right now, this right here will knock your socks off. So easy to make, yet jam-packed with so much flavor. And I'm about to show you how it's done. So let's get started. So these are the ingredients that we will be working with today. Everything is listed on the screen and it will be listed in the description box as well. So I'm hitting my beef with a little bit of onion powder, garlic powder, as well as some black pepper. And I'm tossing in about 2 tablespoons of some soy sauce. You want to go ahead and give that a mix. And once you have that taken care of, you're going to just let it marinate onto the side for at least 30 minutes or so, longer if possible. You know what I mean? And let me know in the comments below, have you seen our previous video? We made some delicious, when I say delicious, I mean delicious lobster tails. Be sure to check that one out if you haven't already. Moving on, we're gonna get our little slurry together. I'm tossing some water into a bowl as well as the remainder of our ingredients in there. It's a lot of them, I know, but it's gonna give you that wonderful, wonderful taste when it's all said and done with. So like I said, get everything combined here. And once you do, you're gonna go ahead and give it a stir. Last but not least, I got the cornstarch going in. Go ahead and give that a mix as well, and you are pretty much ready to go. We're gonna set that off to the side as we move on to cooking up our beef. I have my pan here to about a medium high. I'm just drizzling a little bit of oil into the pan, and we're tossing in about half of our beef into the pan. And you wanna just go ahead and cook that up just like so. You wanna just get a nice, beautiful color on your beef right here. And once that's said and done, you wanna go ahead and set it off to the side and cook up the next batch. I didn't have a big enough pan to get everything in one go. So yes, that's what we're doing. We're cooking it in 2 separate batches. The first one is done. Second one is going on in. Do the same thing. We're repeating the process right here. I just dropping a little bit more oil in there, and then we're dropping in that beef to do its thing. All right, so now we got our beef out the way. We're gonna drizzle a little bit more oil into the pan, and we're tossing in our bell pepper trio as well as some onions. You wanna just let that go for a couple of minutes. I like to have a little bite to my little vegetables and whatnot, so I don't want them to be a little bit too soggy. You may like it that way, but I don't. After a few minutes, we're reintroducing our beef into the pan just like so, and we're gonna also toss in that delicious slurry in there as well, and you're gonna just mix that together and let it do its thing for about, I would say, 4 to 5 minutes. What's gonna happen is that sauce is gonna start to thicken up and get nice and yummy. You know what I mean? Just mix it up, make sure everything is well combined just like so, and wow, 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 look at that, look at that. You can't tell me that is not beauty right there. And don't forget a little bit of fresh parsley. fresh parsley to brighten everything up, just like so. Sprinkle a little bit in, mix it all together, and you are ready to grab your finest china up out of the cabinet, because it's about that time. You know what time it is. It is time to bust down. You are sure to love this one. I promise you. I can't wait for you to try this one. Once you do, don't forget to double back in the comments and let me know how'd you love it. So if you're new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe. Leave your boy a like to make sure YouTube knows you're loving the content. Drop a comment down below. Let me know what you think about today's video. And I'll be sure to see you on the next one. Deuces.